Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance bestseller that disrupts conventional thinking about money and achieving financial freedom. Through the lens of his childhood experience with two fathers, his biological dad, the poor dad, and his friend's dad, the rich dad, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and building wealth through assets rather than just income. Key ideas in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Financial education over formal education. The book argues that traditional schooling often neglects financial education, leaving people unprepared to manage money effectively. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial intelligence, FI, the ability to acquire, manage, and grow wealth. The rich don't work for money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad challenges the idea that getting a high-paying job is the key to wealth. Instead, the book advocates for building a business or investing in assets that generate income for you, creating financial independence. Assets versus liabilities. A core concept in the book is the distinction between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Traditional education often leads people to believe their home is an asset, but Kiyosaki argues it's often a liability: mortgage payments, maintenance. True assets like businesses or income-generating real estate create wealth. Mindset matters. Rich Dad, Poor Dad highlights the significance of mindset in financial success. The book encourages readers to develop an entrepreneurial spirit, take calculated risks, and overcome the fear of failure. Financial literacy for everyone. Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial literacy is not reserved for the privileged. Anyone can learn how to manage money effectively, invest wisely, and build wealth over time. Impact and criticisms of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad has been a global phenomenon, credited with inspiring many to pursue financial independence. However, the book has also received criticism for its oversimplification of complex financial concepts and its lack of emphasis on traditional financial advice like saving and budgeting. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to break free from traditional thinking about money and build a strong financial foundation. It serves as a starting point for further financial education and empowers readers to take charge of their financial future.